Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus and trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to find about cos3A in terms of cosA. So now I will show you how to answer. We have cos3A. We can write into cos2A plus A. So we have the formula in here. Cosine x plus y equal to cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. So 2a is about x and a that's about y. So we can write into cosine 2a cosine a minus sine 2a sine a. So in this situation, I will put about the formula cosine 2a that's about 2 cosine a squared minus 1 and sine 2a that's about 2 sine a cosine a. So for this one in here, we have cosine 2a. We will change by this one. And sine 2a that's about this one. Now we will have simplify cosine a with cosine a squared, and number one we will have about 2 cosine a to the power of 3 minus cosine a. Sine a multiplied by sine a, we will have about 2 sine a squared cosine a. The next one, we have the formula in here. Sine a squared plus cosine a squared equal to number 1. So we have sine a squared, so we put cosine a squared go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Negative number 2 cosine a multiplied by 1 and negative cosine a squared. That's about 2 cosine a plus 2 cosine a to the power of 3. Now we simplify. And we have 4 cosine a to the power of 3 minus 3 cosine a. And this is the final answer.